I see now. They're saying my strategy is a inganekwa.
They say, nah, what your strategy is a push. What do you say about
Okay.
it? It's a
No,
push.
it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. They. It's a free
Not
country, you
fine.
know.
It's not fine.
No, no.
They can't,
You
they
see,
can't say they can't say your strategy is a push.
nah. You see, the thing is, I don't like to prove
Mm,
myself to no one.
don't justify it. Your strategy is, you know, as a
No, the
push.
thing is,
Strategy push me, bro.
ek weet wat hy denk is, my bro. Maar,
Ah,
you see, the thing is,
hey,
but the thing is, you understand?
prat kak, me, bro.
Ja, ek weet, my bro. I think is die regie wat hy sê so. Is die regie, my bro. You see. But you know what I'm gonna say to them, ne? Saturday.
Ah,
I'm gonna just find with just a small amount, and then when I found on Saturday, check me the following week how I'm going to flip that much into a bigger P. You see, because I'm with grown-up people here, I can't speak of those words. You see, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show the curve, bruh.
I believe you, me, bro. I believe you. Prostain your span, me, bro.
Yeah,
Prostain your
yeah,
span. We
yeah,
shall see. Ah,
yeah.
kabona
I'm
ngawen.
gonna show you. I'm gonna show. Hey, but Manando, I'm also not happy, man, with you, man, because you didn't take me as NBA mentor. You understand? Because I feel like I should have been part of that group, man.
You know what's the problem right now? Like the way you explained your strategy. My strategy is 65%. You have a 80% strategy. In other words, you're a better trader than me. That's why I say I respect you, me, bro. We'll work on your
Nah, nah, nah.
YouTube. On your, we shall span together, me, bro. Because you see, if your strategy is really 5%, I need you on board, me, bro.
Yeah, because you see, the
Yeah.
thing is, I also like you wouldn't understand, but my trend lines are there. But now, when I do my trend lines, I do them internally. How can I put it, man? It's like my trend lines are invisible. That they're already there, but I know, okay, this is what is happening. Easy.
Must you trade with Jesus Christ? You trade with prophets and Jesus' daughters and whatever. Bro, how can they be invincible, but
No, the thing
they're
is, you see, the
invincible?
thing is, you see,
Yeah.
sometimes you have to mix something with something. You understand? To make a big. It's like they teach you in school x plus x, ne? That's 2x. Now ne? I said x squared plus x squared. What is that? That's 2x squared. You understand? Some of these guys won't know that. You understand? Because I know the higher level of the algorithm. You understand? Yeah, that's another word that you guys should understand. Liquidation and the algo. Those two words, bruh. If you understand them, I'm telling you, you'll go find life. Yes.
Man, you have a lot of knowledge. You know, you are better than Marco. Do you know Marco?
Yeah, I know him. I know him. He's the. I think.
Are
Yeah,
you,
I think he's
are you
one of the
scared to
best
challenge,
traders.
are you scared to challenge him with your strategy? Even his
My
strategy
man.
SMF is not the same as yours when it comes to winning ratio, man. Are
Mm.
you scared of him? I can
No,
challenge
man.
you.
No. I know who to challenge, man. I can't challenge that guy. I know where I'm at. If I challenge that guy,
Nah,
it's like
so
no, no.
who will you?
No. Yeah, you can't put me under that spot, man. Because even if you say I must challenge you, how can you challenge a guy who actually who like taught you the game? You understand? Who you look up to and you follow? You understand? You can't do that, man. It's like now you want to fight with the guy who actually who's like your master, who's like your teacher, who's like your your facilitator. There's much to learn from them instead of me challenging those guys. I can't do that, bro.
You see,
I,
ever since he started talking, right? This is the only
mm.
time he said less stuff, you know. So now I believe you.
I mean, I only speak 100. I only speak facts, man. You understand?
And
Imagine me,
no.
imagine me coming to your life and say, Manando, I
The
wanna
part,
challenge you.
no, but the part where you said the strategy is 100 is 95, that was in a fact. That was in 100.
No. It's 85%. You see, there's 50% room for improvement in it. You understand? And you can't actually have 100% because that's impossible. Because you have to understand Forex is a game of probabilities, right? So
Do you know?
in a game of, say again,
Do you know Sasha?
Sasha, is she a lady?
You see, I'll teach you a lot. Sasha, I don't know Sasha. Do you know SMF?
No. I don't know that.
I told you about the best strategies on earth. You don't know Sasha. You don't know SMF. Like,
Oh,
these are the
I
best
think
strategies.
Sasha is the strategy that this guy, right?
Yeah, Marco Grassini.
Mm.
Sasha's winning ratio is 100.
Never. That's impossible. That's impossible. There's no strategy in the world which is 100%, bro. There, I disagree with
But
you.
now I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. It's not.
100%.
Listen, right now, ne.
100.
I'm not asking.
Okay.
I'm not asking. I'm telling you.
Yeah. But do you know the chances of losing there? The chances of losing there is like zero. Zero. There's nothing there.
The only time you'll lose with Sasha is if you don't follow the right protocols, which is risk management. You understand? And risk management, I can't say risk management is a part of the strategy that I'll be using. You get what I'm saying?
Mm.
Because I will tell you strategy, and then you need to know the risk. I hope I'm clear. Sasha is a Sashisa. Usasho.
Mm. Aye. No, I still say there's a room for like the market. No one knows the direction of the market. It's only the probabilities. You see,
That's why
it's
Marco has
either the.
two cars worth 4 million. Because he swallowed such mentality. You need to think like a millionaire. You need to think like if you become a student, you can buy cars, enjoy life, soft life. You get what I'm saying? Soft life. If you don't believe me, it's fine.
No,
The
not that
strategy
I
you're
don't
using,
believe you.
the strategy
Yeah,
you're using, did it to a car?
not yet. Not yet.
You
Not yet.
you are using the wrong place.
No, bro. You see, I also believe that in this world, ne, you'll always find something new, and you think that something new is better
You know
than
what the
something
problem?
that you have now.
The problem is your beliefs are not believing. You always believe.
What do you
Your
mean?
beliefs Your beliefs are not believing. I'm saying your beliefs are not believing because you've been believing and your beliefs are not believing. If you don't believe, you believe, you believing. Did you get
Okay.
that?
No, not really. Uh-uh. Okay. I see it says come challenge Sasha. I can't challenge because my balance, my trading balance is at zero now. So but I would actually like to see the consistency of Sasha.
Ma, mama, oh
You see?
mama.
Imagine a strategy that wins all the time. Huh? Aye. Ibana. Aye, 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 aye. Manando. No, no, no.
My brother. No, no, there is, man. Sasha Banks.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
This is called
Okay.
Sasha.
Okay. Okay. Now, Manando, just before I leave, man, I think I've just have one question for you, man. You see? And my question to you is, now some of us don't have the following like you guys, right? Some of us won't make it, we won't make it through Forex like how you guys like made it through. You understand? We can't follow the same path in actually winning into Forex. Eh? So I want to ask from your perspective, instead of me having the following, like the people like funding me, like being the IB and all that, how can I actually win from this industry? You understand? Just I think that's my only question. You understand? Because now it's like all of us want to be mentors to actually make it into Forex. It's like that's the route we willing to take, but that's not the only route in actually
My,
making money, man. Yeah.
when I came to the game, I didn't come with the mindset of I wanna be a mentor. It just happened along the way because things are like hard, So I had to choose what I want, and you find
Mm,
out that what I wanted to become a trader. So what I did is I just started doing the marketing, let's say, analyzing live. That's how I got exposure. Started analyzing
yeah.
live on Instagram, stuff like that.
Mm,
People knowing my name. But then like the thing that made me who I am was to challenge those top traders because I used to say fuck them. Because I used to say fuck them, like the way
mm,
you are scared of challenging our traders.